welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit Juzcar filter using Lightroom Mobile, and this is before and after using this preset on some sample photos. First, go to Light. Exposure to 0.30. Contrast to 5. Highlights to 8. Shadows to 62. And whites to -10. Next, go to color. Temperature to -3. Tint to -3. Vibrance to 30. And saturation to 88. Next, go to grading. For highlights, hue to 15. Saturation to 20. And blending to 100. Next, go to color mix. For red, hue to 10. For orange, hue to 3. Saturation to -24. And luminance to 7. For yellow, hue to -18. Saturation to -66. And luminance to 14. For green, hue to -41. Saturation to -82. And luminance to -27. For aqua, hue to 100. Saturation to -34. And luminance to 7. For blue, hue to -16. Saturation to -46. And luminance to -15. For purple, hue to 32. And saturation to -30. For pink, saturation to -47. Next, go to Effects. Clarity to 20. And Vignette to 7. And last, go to Detail. Sharpening to 30. Noise reduction to 15. And color noise reduction to 17. And done. You can copy these preset settings and paste them on other photos. And you can also adjust it again, according to your wishes. Okay, I hope you like this preset, and see you in the next tutorial.